This is ToxicMonoxide07 here, and got Joe, my old videos. Today we are going to go into an abandoned, what's this called? It's the MKT railroad something or other. It's pretty big and it's abandoned. I don't know how long this video is gonna be because it's right next to a police station. So just gonna do what we can. For what? Why don't we just go through? Ah, I just bumped my head. Ooh. Oh, we took the dangerous path. Oh, there's thorns everywhere. See your head?
Oh, here it is.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Just walk over here. There's a police station right over there. We're trying not to get caught. See the offices. Just sneak down. Not sure if this is private property or not. If anything, we could just say we're just checking it out. Ooh.
It smells like pee.
It does. It smells like straight piss.
Literally.
Keep going. We gotta get in those offices.
There's a fucking bum in here. I'm not gonna...
Shut up. There's not gonna be a bum.
Well, there's people in here, look. They made this their fireplace and they stayed in here.
Ooh, they did. This was an office. So, apparently we are in the offices of this, whatever it's called, I don't even know. What is this, Joe?
Railway station.
A railway station.
Look. Come look over here where I'm at. Come. There's more.
Oh, there is. Okay. Push on. Yeah, I would climb this if it wasn't right next to a police station. Trust me, I love climbing shit. Ooh.
Joker in here.
Okay, we're coming up on the second office.
We all win.
Jump on up in here. Okay, we're in the first office. Oh, second office. There's a hole.
Whoa, sketch, man. Some atheists in here.
Psycho, Joko, Hypno, Demo.
No skating on the ceiling.
That's weird. You think pointing a knife is going to help you, Joe?
If someone's standing there, then yeah, well.
I don't doubt anybody's going to be just standing right here.
Yeah, no. Good job.
Well, yeah. Joko's win, bitch. Is that like a gang or something called Joko's? That's weird.
I never heard it. Whorehouse. They spelled whore wrong.
Yeah, try using this. Just move it around. It's already on, I think. Don't post it down or anything. Just move it around. Yeah, just move it around. Just try to get some good footage. Look at this big open doorway right here.
I'm guessing it was a window.
1926. The MKT
Kansas, Texas lines.
Missouri, Kansas,
It
Texas
says
lines.
Robert Schaefer something up there.
Wow. Whoa, what is this?
I should have never done
Oh, it's just oh. I really want to climb it though, Joe.
What?
I really want to climb it.
What's this? What is it?
The pump thing.
You gotta go.
Well, that's all for this one. The Kansas, Missouri Railroad Way thing. Yeah, I know. Well, this is pretty good, I guess. It's just two offices. Nothing a whole lot to it. But yeah, so we're just gonna out of here.
If we climbed it, we'd go right there.
You what?
Climb.
Yeah, I know. We could easily climb that. But yeah, there will be more videos. I'm gonna do a lot of abandoned places and locations. But right now, this is as far as we can get to this one. I might climb it someday. Probably not, because it's a police station. But
Nick, I'll climb it with you one of these nights, like a night.
yeah, on a nighttime we might come back up here. But for now, that's about it. This has been Talks Max 07 and Joe Rossetti. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.